This is the new Zcam E2-F6 Pro camera.
CineD, your digital cinema tech resource, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi guys, I'm Johnny from CineD and I'm here with Kinson from Zcam. Kinson, how are you?
How are you? I'm good, thank you.
It's almost like a repeater from our other video. And guys, I do recommend it, please, because now Kinson is doing lights also, so please take the time to watch the new lights from Zcam. Solar. But we are here to talk about a new camera from Zcam, and this is the E2-F6 Pro. Wow. So when I hear Pro, I want to learn more. Kinson, what is new with this camera?
Well, as you know, there's no perfect camera, and we've been lucky to we get a lot of good feedback from our user base, a lot of our E2 customers, and you also know that we have also got this E2 flagship series, which we have the Super 35 6K series and also the full frame 6K series. That's what we call the E2-F6. And there has been some a lot of customers are actually pushing us. They all want us to do better. We collect the feedback. So when we develop our next camera, this is actually a brand new platform. We have spent a lot of time to bring up this new platform. And the good news is that this new platform allows us to add some of the features and functionalities that the current E2 series has been lacking.
When you say new platform, do you mean hardware or software or both?
It's primarily the hardware architecture. We maintain the color science remains the same. The open APIs and some of the user experiences. Okay,
and I know that many people are very curious to know where are the sensors for your camera? Where are they from? Can you reveal?
I can reveal. Yes, it's our previous current E2 series. They are all we are all using Sony sensors, and this one is also Sony.
But everything behind the sensor, when it comes to the processor, or even more important, tweaking the color science, is being made by you?
It's actually what we call the image processing pipeline. My partners, Jason and Eric, they have been very instrumental in doing this whole thing. So we developed the entire image processing pipeline by ourselves. So it's all our own algorithms. So everything about the image quality is actually the image processing pipeline.
That's very interesting. And just for you guys to know, this is a very common thing in the industry to use Sony sensors. But the pipeline is really a self-designed or original design by many other companies. So I'm very happy to hear that you're doing the same thing actually, because you have a robust sensor, quality is proven, but everything beyond it or behind it is made by you.
Yes, it's all made by us. It seems like our LED light series is all developed in-house, because we think that it's only doing it this way that we can really stand out from the competition and differentiate ourselves.
What should we expect in terms of specifications? So obviously this camera can shoot up to 6K.
60. 6K 60 frame.
Yeah, a 6K 60. That's the most. Okay, and when I go down to 4K?
When it goes down to 4K, we can do 120.
And is it oversample of the sensor, or how do you achieve good quality in 4K?
4K 120 is cropped. But if there's also a mode which allows you to go down from using the full sensor from 6K to 4K. That is called super sampling. That is low crop.
Very nice. When it comes to recording codec, is there anything new, or are you still using the like before?
This one will primarily, we're still pending for the certification process, but it will support ProRes.
Nice. In what flavors?
ProRes 422 HQ.
Only, or you will also allow all the way down to LT?
All the way down, yeah, as well.
And what will be the type of media that you are recording?
There will be two types of recording media. One is the standard CFast card, and then there will be another customized recording media.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean, customized?
We will more details about that media later on.
Okay, just a little teaser here. External or internal?
Internal, on the same slot.
Sounds interesting. Okay, I'll be very...
We want this camera to be a bit more future-proof. So
Kinson, one thing that I have with actually all your cameras, I'm a bit of an old-fashioned guy, meaning LCD screen is not for me. I really like to have an EVF. Do you have also a solution for people like me?
we have both the external EVF. As you know, we have launched the EVF product 2 years ago. But this time, again, we have taken the feedback from the customers because some of them, they found it is just a cheap camera. This is not fully rigged. You know, I need a monitor to work with it. Otherwise, I cannot even preview. So this time, when we come with the E2-F6 Pro, it comes with a 5-inch detachable touchscreen monitor, both for live view and control purpose.
This is part of the camera package, or this is like...
The package. We just put it into the package. We think everyone would love this solution, so we put it in the standard package.
Very nice. How about the lens mount?
The lens mount, the standard lens mount on this camera will be EF, but like our current E2 series, is interchangeable lens mount, only $99. So you have the choice of PL or M.
Interesting. M, you still really you chose to support M?
Yes, I think there are some lens owners who would like to have the choice, including myself. You know, I like the lenses, so we make this as an option.
Okay. How about pricing and availability?
This camera will be the suggested retail price will be $3,999. And we aim to ship sometime in Q4. The sooner the better.
Okay, so within 2022, around of
2 months' time.
It might be your perfect Christmas present. That's what you're saying.
Yes, and particularly for those who have been waiting, because one of the highest feedback, you know, from our user base has been SDI, and this time we add SDI, but it's not just an SDI; it's a 12G SDI. Gen lock, in addition to the 5-inch detachable touch screen monitor I mentioned earlier. So I hope this is really addressing our customer.
Very nice. Kinson, anything else before I say thank you and goodbye? Any other details that you think it's important to highlight when it comes to this specific camera?
I think the important thing, one message I want to take this opportunity to tell everyone is that we will continue with our current E2 series. It's still going very strong. We have a lot of applications, you know, on our current E2 series. The E2-F6 Pro is a Pro series. It's an addition of our current portfolio, but we will continue to sell and to support our current E2 range of products.
I have to tell the guys, because I think the first question that I asked you before the camera was even on, where have you been? Because we haven't heard from you for quite some time. And you said in a very honest way, I was busy designing my lights. So obviously...
But we haven't forgotten our camera.
No, sure, but that's why it was a little bit quiet with the camera, but now the camera is ready to be exposed.
Yes, and hopefully we will have more cameras soon.
Okay, we take it as a hint. Yes. Kinson, thank you very much. It's really always a pleasure and nice to talk to you.
Good to be on your interview, Johnny.
Thank you. Thank you. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.